Hi everybody, this is George again. This is the start of a new series of short tutorials called A Minor Blues. Of course, I will continue the other series like Blues in G and A Dorian as well. Tell me what you think about this one and write a little comment and click the thumbs up button to support my work. Here we go. Hope now you feel like trying it out for yourself. Hit the subscribe button, stay tuned, and see you soon.